Hello, fourth grade, Miss Marina here. Here's the beginning of our week 4 of our remote classes, and we are going to start with the exercises of the week. So this week is going to be a little shorter because we have a holiday in the end of the week, Sexta-feira Santa, but we're going to have classes every day from Monday to Thursday in our Zoom meetings, right? As I said on the new video, the bulletin video, right? So let's start with the exercises of the week. We are going to start on page 68, right? On page 68, you're going to continue to do exercises about the Time Explorers text. This episode 2 of Time Explorers. So what can you explore? Circle the correct answers about the Time Explorers. So you're going to complete the sentences in this exercise. So number 1, for example, Jack stood up, like this, stood up, and the wind almost blew him over. He hit his head on something, or he saw something horrifying, okay? So, number 2, Jack found himself standing in his history class, back on the brick wall, remember the brick wall from the first episode? Letter C, on a Viking longship. Number 3, the Vikings thought that Jack was from the future, was someone called Olaf, or was the new captain? Okay. Number 4, the captain wanted Jack to get off his ship, catch some fish, or help him control the ship. Number 5, the captain had red hair and a bad temper, blonde hair and a bad temper, or no hair, he was bald, right? No hair and a bad temper, okay? So you're going to check the correct answer, right? You're going to circle it. Now, on exercise 2, you're going to put the events in order. They are out of order and you're going to organize according to the story. Vai organizar os eventos de acordo com a história, ok? Nothing new. We already do this every time in class. A gente sempre faz isso em sala. Nada novo. Now, we also had to do page 69. Okay, on page 69, you're going to do a true, false, or not mentioned. Remember, true é o que é verdadeiro, false é o que é falso, e not mentioned é alguma coisa que não foi citada no texto, não aparece no texto. Okay, so number 1. The dark shape that Jack saw was a killer whale. Era uma baleia assassina. The dark shape. Eric the Red nearly fell overboard. Ele quase caiu. Number 3. Jack grabbed Eric's bird to stop him from falling off the ship. Então ele pegou pela barba para ele não cair do barco. Number 4, Jack pulled Eric back to the ship by himself. Pulled back, puxou de volta. The crew, by himself é ele mesmo, ele sozinho. Number 5, the crew were angry at Jack. Number 6, Jack changed his opinion about metal detectors. Ele mudou a opinião dele sobre metal detectors. Então, são essas daí. Algumas são verdadeiras, algumas são falsas e algumas não são mencionadas no texto. Number 4, write the speaker's name, Emily, Eric, or Jack. Remember, we have some sentences, some quotes, and you're going to tell me who said that. Então, vocês vão ter que falar quem que disse cada uma dessas frases, tá? Hold on to the mast. I think we should go home. In fact, I feel great. Are you okay? You were a hero, so you're going to take a look at the sentences and tell me who said that. Então, vocês vão falar quem que disse cada uma das frases. And on number 5, you're going to write a summary of the story and using the expressions to help you. Vocês vão resumir a história e vocês vão poder usar essas expressões para ajudar vocês, beleza? Acredito que esse exercício vocês tenham que me devolver. Isso, tá? Então, vocês têm devolutiva desse exercício. You'll have to send back to me in your activities by the platform, right? Now, let's continue. On page 36 and 37, let's go back there. Page 36 and 37. Is the age of exploration over? We are going to listen to a track, okay, we are going to listen to a track and write the year when each event occurred. Então, a gente vai escutar várias coisas que aconteceram e vamos colocar, então, o ano que aconteceu, tá? Just remember the hundred and thousand, ok? Thousand para milhar, hundred para centena, ok? Etc. Don't forget this, because we're going to talk about years. A gente vai fazer por anos, então não esqueçam de milhares e centenas, que é thousands para milhar e hundred para centena. So I'm going to play it.
Track 11.
Jacques Cousteau was a French undersea explorer, researcher, and photographer. He also produced documentary films and television series. He was born on June 11th, 1910. At age 4, Cousteau learned to swim and developed a lifelong fascination with water. As he entered adolescence, he showed a strong curiosity for mechanical objects, and after buying a movie camera, he took it apart to understand how it operated. In 1943, Jacques Cousteau co-invented the aqualung, a breathing device for scuba diving. In 1945, he started the French Navy's Undersea Research Group. In 1948, Cousteau, along with other expert divers and scientists, undertook an underwater expedition in the Mediterranean Sea to find the Roman shipwreck Medea. They found the ship filled with treasures. This expedition marked the beginning of underwater archaeology. In 1951, Cousteau began going on yearly trips to explore the ocean on the Calypso, his famous boat. He recorded his trips on the TV series The Undersea World of Jacques Cousteau. In 1996, the Calypso sunk. Cousteau died on June 25, 1997, in Paris, France.
Okay, so I just heard in the audio, the years is going to be like this. Só para mostrar para vocês os anos in English. For example, I'm going to do it here. Oh, too big. Sorry. For example, in the year that I was born, for example, I was born in 1992. This number is 1992. O número é 1992, 1992. But in English, we always divide these numbers into. A gente divide esse número quando a gente vai falar em dois números. Por exemplo, eu vou dividir em 19 e 92, então fica 1992, tá? Então, se vocês escutarem assim no áudio, você vai dividir ele por 2, vai dividir ele no meio. Então, 19 e 92, 1992, tá? Outro exemplo, 1932, supondo. Eu vou dividir, então eu vou falar 1932. Se eu estiver falando do ano de 1845, por exemplo. 1845, tá? Então, os anos eu posso fazer isso, tá? Não preciso falar 18,045, 8,045, tá bom? So that's it for this video. I'm going to go back in the part 2. Vou voltar na parte 2, então, depois. See you later. Bye, bye.